Today we are going to look at resistors in series. When you look at this connection, it is in series. So, and we are asked to calculate the total resistance. First of all, I want to show you, we have resistors in series and we have resistors in parallel. The resistors in parallel will look like this, okay? Where the connection, maybe we have something like this, 2 ohm and what? 1 ohm. This type of connection is in series. So in parallel, for us to calculate the total resistance, we now say RT is equals to what? R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now, our RT, now what is our R1? Our R1 is 2 ohms plus, what is our R2? Our R2 is what? 3 ohms. And what is our R3? Our R3 is 5 ohms. So our RT now is equals to what? 2 ohms plus 3 ohms plus 5 ohms, and that will give us what? 10 ohms. This calculation is for what? Resistors in series. In our next class, we are going to look at how to calculate resistors in parallel. Don't forget to follow me for more. Bye for now.